Listen, no.
Congratulations!
Listen, call Daddy Papa right now. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by Xrsbeauty. They sent me another unit to review for you guys. Now before we get into this clear lace clean hairline install, make sure if you're new to the channel you go ahead and subscribe and smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go.
I ran away from heartbreak, got nothing in return for my pain. I never thought I'd be so empty, so alone and afraid. Wasn't looking for a lover, nobody understood where I've been. I guess I thought I needed more time to protect my love from potential offense. So I then you and you, but I so you and I'm not surprised by what I found, because I know I needed something different and it had to be you. Out the blue, somebody who it had to be you. I didn't seem to notice that you were checking for me. We were just friends, but we started building trust and my fragile heart started to mend. Yeah, should've paid attention. You would've been the obvious choice, but I needed time to see clearly, dig deep and cut through the noise. So I then you came around and you, but I so you and I'm not surprised by what I found, because I know I needed something different and it had to be you. Out the blue, somebody who would listen and it had to be you. Out of all the people to require my love, couldn't be just anyone. My baby, it had to be you.
Not me having the Dora Bob. Okay, sis. Dora. Ooh. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from Xrsbeauty. All the specs of my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. I'm going to go ahead and tell you right now, I don't have no complaints for this unit, okay? No cons whatsoever for this wig. Do you see how this wig is sitting on me? How can I have cons? Huh? Now, like I said, this unit does come with clear lace. If you want to see the difference between clear lace and transparent lace, I got you, okay? So when it comes to transparent lace, it's going to look a little ashy on my skin tone. Y'all can see how it has like a white cast on me? Yeah, that's that transparent. But when you add in that new clear lace, unmelted, this joint is already sitting pretty nice on my dome. Y'all see it right there. Y'all see it right there. Y'all see how it looks? But to get this melt, okay, this melt right here, you gotta hit it with some type of melting agent, okay? Whether it's got to be EBIN, Ghost Bond, or is that glue? Bond, something, I don't know, glue. Some type of wig adhesive around the hairline to get it to melt into your skin. I mean, are we looking at the same wig, huh? You can't tell me that you can see the lace, all right? I mean, you may see it a little bit. Listen, no. Let me enjoy this moment of not seeing my lace. Okay, I'd appreciate it. I appreciate it. Don't worry, if you can see the lace, you're supposed to see the lace. Why? Because it's lace, okay? It's not skin, it's lace. But the better the lace, the less noticeable it will be on your skin. And this clear lace right here is top tier, okay? Top tier. So before you tell me I can see the lace anyway, sis.
Congratulations! Oh my God.
If you did not see my last install with Xrsbeauty, I did not spray her down. I just used my Extra Mousse for a glueless install. I wanted to do a glueless install for this one, but the way this unit was fitting around my hairline, I knew it wasn't really gonna give me the look that I wanted. So I just went in with my EBIN spray and sprayed her down. And I'm so glad that I did, because I definitely will be rocking this joint for the rest of the day. Because waste not, okay, I am not wasting this install on nobody. Y'all know I normally install my wigs and then take them off because, you know, I like my hair to breathe, but I'm gonna wear this joint for the rest of the day because this is worth it. I am here for it. I'm also here for the clean hairline. That means this hairline is plucked to perfection for the most natural look that you will get on a wig without it looking like your hairline is balding, because we've seen those wigs, okay? They didn't give me a heavy widow's peak this time, so I didn't have to cut off a whole bunch of hair in the front. This lace in this hairline is top tier perfection, okay? I can't complain about this. Now, some of y'all may complain about the price point, okay? Even with the discount for this wig, this joint is still expensive because you are paying for that lace and you're paying for that hairline, okay? The pandemic has taken control of the prices and they still not coming down. Now, you may get a transparent wig or a regular lace wig for, you know, the low, but when you're talking about that HD clear lace situation, you gotta spend some coins. I may have an extra coupon for y'all down below, but you know, you may want to go ahead and call Daddy Papa. Okay, this may be this may be one for him, okay? I didn't say Sugar Bay and I didn't say Sneaky Link, okay? They don't got the funds for this one, okay? You need Daddy Papa coins for this one. But this is how we are looking. I got my little shirt on. I'm feeling real cute today. I'm feeling real cute. Let me fix this because I want this to be, you know, like pronounced. I want it to be up there like this. Hold on, because it's not giving me what I want. Here we go, here we go. Now, if you watch my install, you saw that I did have this joint in the middle part. That's what it came in. In the middle part, you know, was giving me, a little look, but I wanted a side part for this wig. Now, I did go in and pull out some of the hair in my parting space. I pulled out a little bit too much right there, so, you know, shh. I went on and fixed that with some black eyeliner, but yeah, I had to go ahead and get my parting space correct because it was a little bit too tight on the side when I wanted to part it, but in the middle it's pretty much fine. But this is a very simple look, y'all. It's a bob, it's 12 inches. It is 250% density though. Hold up, thickness. Xrsbeauty is coming with the thick. I am not mad at this 250% density. I love the thickness of this bob. And even though this is a silkier texture, I love how this feels and looks on me. Y'all know silky textures that are thin, I can't do the thin bobs. I need some thickness around my bobs, and look. Xrsbeauty gave me just that, y'all. They gave me just that. I am here for this look and this wig on me. I can't complain. I can complain about my lip gloss not popping though. Hold up, because how dare thee? How dare thee? Okay, Xrsbeauty, you did that, all right? You did that. Now, if you could do the paying for, I don't know if you have that, but if you don't, if we can go ahead and hop on that, I mean, that'll be great. That'll be fantastic. And that way we don't gotta call Daddy Papa, okay? We don't gotta have dinner. We don't gotta talk for hours. But that's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to Xrsbeauty for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.